Right, looking at the balance as well, remember we are here at Siafunda and I'm Mr. Kanyila doing the financial maths with you, looking at the balance in this particular case. Remember that this young man, Timothy, took a loan originally of 10,000. We want to calculate the balance. We've just seen the first option on how to calculate the balance. This guy has paid 25 installments. So the balance will be this installment, which is 0.6315142. That's what he owes present value. So the second option of doing the same problem will be to find out how much this guy owes presently. So we'll use the formula of PV is equals to the installments into 1 minus into 1 plus I raised to the power minus n. When we square it, PV, we use minus n there. Then close this bracket. This is all over I. This is the alternate method. If you don't want to use that one, you can use this option, the second option, to calculate the same thing, which is the balance. That's what we owe. So this will then be called the balance. So in this particular case, the balance will be equals to the installments. How much is this guy paying every month? How much is Timothy paying? He's paying about 450. We've put installments somewhere there. Yes, it is 450 into 1 minus 1 plus, push this in bracket. The interest rate, we do have it as 9.5 over 1200. Close this bracket. This is raised to the power n minus. Right. The question is, what is the balance of the loan immediately after Timothy has paid 25th installments? He has paid 25th installments. Then the balance will be 0.6. Make sure that you take the whole value. You don't round off. You only round off at the end. So in this case, he has paid 25th installments. How many installments is he owing? He owes 0, comma. You take all these values. He has paid the 25th installments. He owes 0.6315, 6315, 142. You don't round off in this particular case. You only round off at the end when it comes to financial maths. That's what he owes. Because he has paid the other 25. He only owes the 0.6. Right. Remember, this is all over I. What is my I? My I is 9.5 over 1200. Remember, in this particular case, we already know the answer. We've done it in the first option, which was this one. Let us check if we're going to get the same response, if we're going to get the same solution here. We just go to our calculator and check the balance. Remember, I'm dealing with a fraction here. It's a numerator, there's a denominator. So I start on a fraction pattern first. You write what you see naturally there. It's 450, that's the first thing that I punch, 450. And what I see after that, I see a bracket, I put it there. I put a bracket. After a bracket, there's a 1. After a 1, there's a minus. Where is minus? There's minus. After minus, there's another bracket. After a bracket, there's 1. Yes, there's 1 after a bracket. After that 1, there's plus. After a plus, there's a fraction. So I go to a fraction pattern. What is my numerator there? It is 9.5, 9.5. What is my denominator there? I go down. It is 1,200, 1,200. I go out. I close that bracket as I see it. This is raised to the power. So I go the x power button. To the power what? It is to the power minus. Where is my negative minus? What there? 0.6. Don't round off. 0.6. 315. 315. Make sure that you punch the correct buttons. 6315 142. 15142. Right, I got all of them. After that, I get out of there. I close that bracket. Yes, after closing that bracket, I go straight to my denominator. I go down to my denominator. How is my denominator? My denominator is also a fraction. I go to a fraction button. What is my numerator in the denominator? It is 9,5. 9,5. This is divided by 1,200. 1,200. Right. I'm done. All that I need to do is to press the equal sign, and it should give me the same answer as I got in the previous one. What is the answer that I have here? Let us write it down. So the balance in this case is equals to 282 rand 36 cents. So it doesn't matter which option you use, whether you use the idea that the balance is the amount of the loan minus the payments that you have done. That will give you the balance. Or you just check, this person has paid for 25 installments. How much is he owing? So this is the N that you have, which would be 0, something, which is the one that you put in there. It will give you the same thing. That's how you calculate the balance. You can either go for option 1 or for option 2. You are spoiled with choice. That was your financial maths. Thank you.